Hey, this is Mike. Just want to show you this 2005 Chrysler Crossfire convertible in black. Pretty interesting car. Has a unique look to it. They don't make them anymore, so that's another thing that you want to consider. It's a unique car. Don't see a huge amount of them on the road. It does have projector headlights, fog lights. Pretty neat design there on the hood. You can see where it's got special designs there on the hood as well on the side. And it does have 18-inch wheels, but they look really pretty good size compared to the car. Kind of look like 20. It looked like kind of like 20-inch wheels just because it was a small car. So this is a two-seater. It's got four-wheel disc brakes. See what the back looks like. It's got the dual exhaust there. I'm going to show you the trunk because it has a limited amount of space here in the trunk. This is a small car and it's also a convertible. The convertible top has to fold down into this space there, so you're pretty much limited on your trunk space. But it's not really made for family vacations, I guess you can say. You can see how those wheels really stand out. They really look sharp. And the back glass, I don't know if that's real glass or that's plastic, but it looks completely clear. Feels like real glass. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and look on the inside. It does have side airbags. You've got a net pocket there towards the bottom. A nice speaker there, tweeter speaker above that. It has a Crossfire lettering there in the threshold of the door. We've got like a dark gray and a light gray two-tone leather seat interior. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in. Alrighty. Just take a look at the inside. Here's the steering wheel. There's no controls on this steering wheel, but it does look pretty good. Your cruise control settings there. Your lights are down here. Controls. And then here's for your windshield wipers and stuff like that. And there's your gauges. But this vehicle has really low miles. 39,860. Not too bad for an 05. Speedometer goes up to 160. You got your digital temperature outside. Right now it's 44 degrees outside. Feels a little bit colder than that, but then you got a clock, RPMs, and all that good stuff. See what the dash looks like. The dash has like a texturing to keep light from reflecting, so you can see good while you're driving. And okay, so look at your climate control settings here on the top of the center stack. Next is a Infinity radio CD player. It does have heated seats, like a high and low. And this is kind of neat right here. There's like a spoiler that comes up. I'm going to lift it up, and then I'm going to get out and look at it. Because the spoiler was down before, now it's up. That's pretty cool. because it kind of hides away when you don't want to use it. It's a pretty neat feature. Hideaway spoiler. Oh yeah, this antenna, they have one ordered, so by the time you actually come look at the vehicle, it will have an antenna on it. Alright, I'm going to hop back in. I'm going to lower the spoiler. Let's see if I can show you what it looks like while I'm lowering it. And I guess it beeps when it's done. Alright, so you can also, there's a lot of buttons. This is your traction control, stability control. You can turn that off in case you really want to spin tires or something. This big orange thing is your full-way emergency flashers. And this is, you can lock the windows so they don't roll down. Not sure what this is. It has something to do with towing it. So I'm not sure what that is. And there's your heated seats on your passenger side. Right here, let's see if the sun keeps getting in the glare, but right here is the button to turn your passenger side airbag off. There is a cigarette lighter and the power supply. Right here is what looks like a ashtray. There's your power window controls. And there's one on the passenger side. And there's your shifter. It does have like an auto stick feature. This is your side mirror controls here. And this is for your convertible top. So I hadn't lowered the convertible top on this yet, so I'm gonna kind of leave that alone. This is the first Crossfire that we've had on the lot, so I'm not really familiar with all the features. This opens up, and that's like a little interesting cup holder there. Kind of small, I guess you can put it out of the way when you're not using it. And this is kind of an armrest, but it also lifts up, and you have a little bit of storage space inside. Glove compartment. It's got like a padded felt feel to the inside. And back here we've got like a little storage pocket there. You can see it's got like roll bars here above the seats and like a little dash back there. Let's take a look under the hood. See if I can find the hood latch. Pretty cool. Now I'll put in the description all the details, more details about the engine and stuff like that, because like I said, this is the first one I've had on the lot, so I don't know a whole lot about it. Just learning now, but I wanted to get this video out as soon as possible before it sells, because there's a lot of people looking at it. So anyway, if you're interested in this vehicle, let me know. My name is Mike, and my phone number and email address will be in the description. See you next time.